in a session in which we will get to know how spirituality is important for the positivity around us. In our culture, spiritual education is similarly important to nurture young minds to bring positivity in their life. Spirituality is an important part of education. Spirituality means the age old values that have always sustained and nourished our society and life on this planet Earth. These values serve as the very foundation of harmonious existence between humans and all of nature, including the plant and animal kingdom. So we have with us devotees who are associated with ISKCON from last many years. I welcome Mrs. Richa Thakur, who hold a PhD degree in biomedical engineering from University of California. She worked as a research associate in many universities. During her studies in 2010, she came across the teachings of Bhagavad Gita and got inspired by them. After the birth of her son, she switched her career and started spending time teaching kids the valuable lessons from scriptures. And also we have Mrs. Aditi Pandekar holds a master degree in physiotherapy in the field of community-based rehabilitation. She has worked as a lecturer in DES College of Physiotherapy, Pune. She has an avid interest in spirituality. So I welcome, on behalf of Little Millennium, I welcome you both, ma'am. So
thank you so much.
Over to you now.
Okay, thank you, Sonam. Okay.
Yes.
Sir, can you please make me co-host for me to share our slides?
Yes, ma'am.
So right click on.
आप हो गए host, एक मिनट आप change करेंगे?
Yes, yes, yes.
रिचा मैम को.
If you just right click on me and make co-host.
Yeah. So now ma'am, just right click on Richa ma'am name, and
Okay.
you will see option of either host or co-host.
Okay. So,
Okay.
ma'am,
Yes,
I have
thank
done
you.
it. Yes.
Don't make me host, make me co-host.
अच्छा, co-host. Okay.
Co-host का option नहीं दिख रहा है शायद.
नहीं है sir. Yes
Okay,
sir.
never mind. That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah,
Thank
it's
you.
okay.
Thank you. Okay, so welcome everyone. I'm going to share slides on my screen. There's so many activities we have planned for today. We hope you like it. आपको अच्छा लगेगा. So I'm going to give you overview. आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं. Okay. Can everyone see my screen?
Yes ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Beta. Okay. So we are going to talk on value education for young minds. Myself, Richa Thakur, along with Aditi Pandekar, both of us will be giving parts of the session. We have 3 activities assigned for children. What we are going to do? First, we are going to do some yoga. Are you ready, kids? Yoga karna hai? Zyada laptop ke aage bhi nahi baithna hai, right? So we'll do some exercise. We'll do some yoga. Yay. Okay. After that, there'll be a short story from Ramayana we're going to tell you. Okay. And then we are going to do one shlok, only one shlok from Bhagavad Gita, what it tells us. It's very important also. And then uske baad mummy papa ka session hai. It's going to be a parenting seminar. Okay. At that time you can run away, not before that. Okay. Okay. So for the yoga session, I'm going to ask Mukund sir to actually take that session. And actually I will, sir, if you could just start your, yes, thank you. So kids, get ready. Sabko yoga karna hai, everyone. Exercise, let's do some exercise. Is everyone ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes or no? Teacher.
Thank you, everyone. Hello, children. I am Mukund Kottar. I am going to teach you little some of the things on the yoga and hope you will enjoy it. Okay. So if everyone is in the standing position, I would like everyone to sit this position. This is called as a Vajrasana.
Stand up.
Okay. So this is a Vajrasana position. If you you can put some mat or something. Okay. And both of your hands you can put on the lap. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Deep inhale. And 3 times we are going to chant Omkar. Okay. Slowly open your eyes. And what will we can stand up now. And I know this is a lockdown period, but still we will do some jogging in the house itself. Okay. It's a very simple. The way how we are doing the jogging is the way how we will do it. Do it very slowly first. Okay. Start 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Start jogging. You can increase the speed now slowly. Okay. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Again increase the speed. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So okay. Okay. Hold it. Slow. Exhale. Again, deep inhale. Slow. 1. And slowly come to try touch to the floor. If you touch, you can try. You can go third way, or can even touch your palm. Whatever is possible. Come back 1. Again, exhale and again come. We'll do 3 more rounds. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Last round. 1 2. Come back to the normal state. Okay. Now we'll do some more twisting. Okay. Keep distance of around 1 to 2 feet. Keep your hands horizontal. Bend down and try to touch your left toe with right hand. 1. And then right toe with left hand. 2. Slowly, do it slowly. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Last one. 1
I'm doing.
2.
Wait.
And come back. Okay, do it very slowly. We are not in hurry. Okay. Okay. Now we'll do another type. Just we have to keep some distance within the legs. Make your hands horizontal and just twist it towards left slowly. Again come back. Again twist it towards right. Come back. Left. Then right. Again left. Again right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Last round. Left. Right. Come back. Okay. We'll do some breathing exercises. Okay. Just stand up. Very easy. Make your hands straight, 90 degree. While inhaling, just bring them back. Okay. Inhale, bring hands back. Okay. Again, inhale, bring hands back. Again, inhale. Inhale. Last round. Inhale. Very good. Okay. Now we'll do some more breathing exercise. You have to lock the hands like this and make them in the reverse direction. Okay. Okay. And once you do it, very slowly bring it to the 90 degree. 1, 2. I will show you horizontally. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Last round. 1, 2. Now we'll raise it a little up. 130 degree. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now we'll raise it even more. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Last one. 1, 2. Very good. We did good number of exercises. Now we'll do one yogasana. This is called as a Trikonasana. It is very easy. Just keep a distance of around 1 to 2 feet in your both of your legs. Make your hands horizontal and twist it towards left and look at your right leg, right hand up. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back slowly.